Alright, today I'm going to be telling y'all about prime factorization. This is a pretty simple topic, if we being real. There's nothing really much to it. First, before we get started, let's just talk about what prime factorization actually is. Prime factorization is basically a simple process of breaking down a composite number, not a prime number, just like it has to be a composite number, breaking it into its prime factors to where the prime factors that you get at the end should multiply each other together to get the original number that you were originally factoring. I don't know. So, for example, if we take a simple example like factoring down 12, that would be broken down into 2 and 6. 2 is a prime number and 6 is not a prime number, so we can just break that down even more. 6 turns into 3 and 2. And 2 and 3 are both prime numbers because their only factors are 1 and itself. So 12, prime factorization form or whatever, is 2 times 3 times 2, which in another way we can write this because there's two 2's, so we write it as 2 squared times 3. I don't know why I wrote it like I'm looking stupid. Alright, so another example I'm giving y'all is 32, where this has multiple factors, and we can break this down into like any two numbers we could really want. It just depends on how much more breaking we're gonna do later. So for now, I'm just gonna split this into 4 and 8 because I don't know, I feel like it. And we are going to continue breaking down starting with the 4. This becomes 2 and 2, obviously, and the 8 can be broken down into 2 and 4, because what else are you going to break it down into, weirdo? And from this point on, everything is prime number besides this 4, which you just break into 2 and 2. So if we just looking at this, right, is 32 equals 5 2's, like, if you know what I mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 2's, so it's just 2 to the 5th power. It's really just that simple, to be honest. Yeah, what the why? All right, and the last example I'm giving y'all is 76. Really, there aren't too many factors of this number, but we know it's an even number, so we can just break it down. One of the factors is going to be 2, and just do 2 divided by 70. Okay, my handwriting sucks. Minus 6. So 38. So 2 times 38 equals 76. So 30 is going to go on the other side. Now, I don't know much factors of 30 either because I don't know. But I know that's an even number, so I'm just going to break it down with one of its factors being 2 anyways. And 2 times 19, I'm pretty sure, is 38. And 19 is a prime number, so we can't break down no more. So prime factorization of 76 equals, well, 1, 2, and there's another 2. So 2 squared times 19. And yeah, that's your answer.